Hey guys, welcome back to our channel BlackForgeStudioYT. Today, I'll be showing you the new features added in NSR-AI 1.2 beta. As you can see on the chart displayed at the right side, we've introduced two major updates, the pet communication system with emotions and the per-player API key system with enhanced security. The security feature is currently in early access as part of the ongoing NSR-AI development. It's mainly designed for the open-source version of NSR-AI, which is still under construction, and that's why it's marked as an early access feature for now. We won't go into full detail about the security system yet since it's still being tested, but instead, let's focus on the main features that our developer team has recently added. Pet System Overview. The Pet System introduces an interactive and emotional companion feature in NSR-AI. You can tame, name, and talk with your pets. They even respond based on their mood. Pets can express emotions such as happiness, sadness, or anger, and your interactions will affect their behavior. When your pet is happy, they'll talk to you freely. When they're sad or angry, they might ignore you until you cheer them up, usually by feeding them or spending time with them. Gear note: the API system must be active for pet communication features to work properly. Dog face. How to tame a dog, wolf. Although the game refers to them as wolves, they are often called dogs universally. The process of taming and connecting with your dog is simple. You can also follow the steps displayed in the video, on the right side, for visual guidance. Magic Wand step-by-step process. Step 1. Find a dog in the game world. Step 2. Attempt to tame it. If it's not tamed, the system will display a message saying, "First tame it." Step 3. Once tamed, give your dog a name using a name tag, example, dog, buddy, etc. Step 4. Type the command, /AI pet tame. This command links the pet to you, but it won't be ready to talk yet. Step 5. Next, set a nickname for your dog by typing /AI pet nickname less than nickname greater than. Replace less than nickname greater than with any name you want your pet to recognize, e.g., AI pet nickname Rex. Once this step is complete, congratulations. Party pop-up. Your pet is now fully linked and ready to talk with you. Speech balloon. Talking with your pet. To talk to your pet, simply open the chat and type their nickname followed by your message. Example, Rex, how are you today? Checkmark. Make sure you include a space before and after the pet's name. This helps the AI recognize that you're addressing it. You don't need any commands or slashes, just type naturally, as if you were talking to a friend. Your pet will respond based on their current mood, cheerful when happy, distant when sad or angry. Light bulb tip: if your pet refuses to talk, check their mood, they might just need some food or attention. Anger emotions and reactions. Pets in NSR-AI are designed to behave realistically. When happy, they play, talk, and respond warmly. When sad, they may ignore your messages or stay silent. When angry, they might refuse commands and show attitude. You can cheer them up by feeding or playing with them. Try hurting your pet, you'll notice their reaction immediately. They might growl, act sad, or even stop responding until forgiven. Cat face. Cat interaction. The same system applies to cats as well. Cats can also be tamed, named, and talked to. They have their own mood patterns and behaviors, similar to dogs. Coffin pet. Death and unlinking. When a pet dies, it will automatically unlink from you. Before disappearing, it sends a final message such as, "I am dead. See you in the next generation." This message marks the emotional farewell from your loyal companion. You can tame a new pet afterward, but your previous bond remains in memory. Closed lock. Per-player API key system. The per-player API key system adds a new layer of security and personalization to NSR-AI. Each player can now use their own API key, stored and managed individually, with strong protection to prevent any form of unauthorized access or exposure. This feature ensures that no one, not even server admins or add-ons, can view or trace a player's API key once it's entered. Brick. How it works. When you add your personal API key, it's stored temporarily and is automatically deleted as soon as you leave the server. This guarantees zero permanent storage, keeping your data completely private and untraceable. To further enhance security, the API key pop-up in the console has been completely disabled, so even administrators cannot view it. If any plugin or add-on attempts to access or log the key, NSR-AI blocks it at runtime. When you attempt to view your key, for example, through AI API key list, you'll only see a partially hidden version of your key, showing only the first, last, or random 4 characters. This approach prevents any unauthorized access, even from future third-party add-ons or debugging tools. Gear. Adding your personal API key. To add your personal API key, follow these steps. You can also follow the visual demonstration shown at the right side of the video. Step 1. Type the command, AI API key. Step 2. A non-chat setup system will open. This interface will give you instructions to open the chat and paste your API key safely. Once you paste the key, the system will automatically detect it and start using your personal API key for all AI-related features. Lightbulb, we initially tried integrating API entry through a single command, but since console logs displayed the full key, we moved to a two-step secure input system for better protection. Scroll available subcommands. AI API key list right pointing arrow displays your current API key, partially hidden for security. AI API key clear right pointing arrow removes your current API key immediately. Puzzle piece console identification. We've also implemented a clear distinction between global and per-player API usage. If a player uses their own API key, the console log will show, player is using their own API key. If a player uses the default, global, API key provided by the owner, the console log will show, player is using the global, default API key. This helps server owners easily monitor which system is being used, without ever exposing private API information. Bug and security features. Bug fix system. We have improved the bug management system in NSR-AI. Whenever a bug is fixed and published on the server, NSR-AI automatically checks if a new bug update is available. If an update is found, it will be downloaded automatically. If not, the current bug version will continue to run. The plugin respects version differences. For example, 1.2 beta and 1.2 are treated separately. This means that if you're using 1.2 beta, only bug updates for that version will be applied. Bug updates do not change the main plugin version, it remains the same, such as 1.2 beta. Older versions may rarely receive bug updates unless a critical issue affects normal gameplay or stability. You can be assured that regular bug fixes will not upgrade your main plugin version, only improve stability. Security feature. This feature is currently in early access and is still under development. It works based on server-side data and does not operate automatically. As it's a testing feature, it may cause delays in updates for NSR-AI 1.2 beta. Once this system becomes stable, it will be included in the next stable release of NSR-AI. For now, we are continuing to refine and test it to ensure maximum reliability and security before public release. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends.